This video provides a summary of the mixing portion of AASHTO T312 titled Preparing and Determining Density of Hot Mix Asphalt Specimens by Means of the Superpave Gyratory Compactor. In the field, asphalt concrete is prepared by combining aggregate and asphalt binder at high temperature in an asphalt concrete plant. During this process, the aggregates become coated with the binder, which forms a cohesive material known as loose asphalt concrete mixture. The loose mixture is then hauled to the project site, placed, and compacted. The purpose of mixing in the pavement laboratory is to blend asphalt and aggregate in a similar manner to the plant. The produced loose mixture can then be evaluated and/or subjected to further heating and compaction. The safety equipment required to mix asphalt concrete in the laboratory includes closed-toed shoes, long pants, thermal insulated gloves, a lab coat, safety glasses. The following equipment and materials are needed for mixing asphalt in the laboratory: a mixing bucket, an empty pan, a pan of pre-batched aggregate, asphalt binder, a mixing blade, a spoon, a brush, a bucket mixer, a balance, and an oven. The following summarizes the steps required to mix asphalt concrete in the laboratory. Place the asphalt binder, aggregate, mixing blade, bucket, and spoon in an oven set to the mixing temperature. Heating the tools along with the asphalt and aggregate minimizes heat loss during mixing. Once the aggregate and binder reach the desired temperature, begin blending. It is important to avoid prolonged binder heating, which can lead to excessive age hardening. First, remove the mixing bucket from the oven and set it on a board placed on top. Remove the aggregate from the oven and pour into the mixing bucket. Brush the pan to ensure all of the fine aggregate and dust is transferred from the pan into the mixing bucket. After all aggregate has been transferred to the mixing bucket, zero the scale. Remove the spoon from the oven and form a crater in the center of the aggregate. Remove the asphalt binder from the oven and slowly pour into the crater. Monitor the mass of binder added using the scale while pouring. Continue pouring until the desired mass of binder has been added. If excess binder is accidentally added to the bucket, dip a paper towel into the binder and remove the excess binder. Use the spoon to spread the aggregate from the sides of the aggregate crater over the surface of the binder. Move the mixing bucket to the bucket mixer. Remove the mixing blade from the oven and attach it to the mixer. Turn the mixer on. The mixer will allow for more efficient blending than mixing with a spoon by hand. Continue mixing until the mixture appears uniform and all aggregates are fully coated with asphalt binder. Transfer the loose mixture from the mixing bucket to an empty pan. The loose mix can be used as is for determination of the theoretical maximum specific gravity of the mixture. Alternatively, the mix can be further heated and compacted for assessment of volumetric properties in a compacted state.